Today I'm doing a super simple unboxing video of the iPhone 13 Pro. I got it in the new Sierra Blue color, and let's get started. So it came in this cardboard box, very thin, small package to receive in the mail. Let's see if I can get it out of here. The box seems to be smaller than the last boxes. Oh, I'm already messing up. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, how does this separate? Oh, I messed up. I was supposed to undo this side too. Okay. So I decided on the blue version of the iPhone because I really like this icy blue color. Haven't seen it before on an iPhone, I don't think. So I ordered a clear case to go with it as well. Wow. Before I undo this, let's see what else is in the box. We have the usual little papers. Oh, the SIM card thing, Apple sticker. And interestingly, there's only a cable. So there's no charging device. I guess at this point they're assuming that everyone's got their own chargers, but they do send the cable, which is nice. And no headphones. I think they stopped doing that a while ago as well. Let's see, this paper is telling us volume up, down, the mute button, the power button. Let's take this off. And there we have it. So a couple things that stand out to me. You can definitely tell that the cameras are bigger. Oh, I thought it was broken. It's just a piece of dust or something. The camera lenses are definitely bigger compared to the last phones. They also stick out a little bit more, I believe. Let's look at some of the other details. These buttons. That's the same. This side. Oh, I wonder, I don't know what this is. It's not a button. I guess it's just part of the design. Here's the power button. I'm really excited to try the cinematic mode, and I guess I'm going to be filming a lot of my next YouTube videos on this phone. So be sure to subscribe, and I'll do some test videos with the new camera. All right.